Hi, I'm Sherwin. This tutorial is for a dance called Drinkaby, choreographed by Rachel McInerney. It is a 48 count, improver level dance. Goes to the song Drinkaby by Cole Swindell. It does have, it's not really a restart, it's a skip part of it and join back in as the dance goes. It'll make sense once we get through it. Well, let's just learn the choreography. Okay, here we go. Right foot is going to start a rocking chair. Step forward one, rock, back, back, recover. Step forward on your right to a left half a pivot and a forward shuffle. Step right, left, right. Going over that. Counts are stepping 1, 2, back, 3, 4, forward, 5, half turn to your left foot, 6, step together, step, 7 and 8. You're weighted on your right foot at 6 o'clock. Continuing with the rocking chair now on your left foot while you're at 6, step left, right, right. You're going to do a quarter pivot this time. Forward left, quarter to the right. Left foot is going to do a crossing triple over 7 and 8 on that left foot. You're finished weighted on your left at 9 o'clock. Okay, let's do this again. Right foot is, you're on your right, so you're going to left foot rocking chair. 1, 2, 3, 4, quarter, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. We'll do those 2 8s together for continuity. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, rocking chair. 2, 3, 4, half turn, shuffle front. 7 and 8, left rocking chair. 2, 3, 4, quarter, 5, 6, triple, 7, and 8. Third count of 8, your right foot is free. Take a simple grapevine to the right, side, behind, side, touch your left. Step to your left, tap your right. 5, 6, same to the right, step right, tap left. So it's a grapevine and 2-step taps, starting with the right foot. I'll turn my back just to make sure you can see it. It goes side, back, side, together, step, tap, Now during that part, in several of the verses in the song, the words include bartender or something about lifting the drink, lifting your glass. And if you want to, you can add a little arm movement on that. You can raise your glass, and then you can step and tap it if you want to add that. And you'll hear it with the lyrics if you care to add that part. Okay? So after the third count of 8, you've done your step, tap. Your left foot is free. We're going to do a set of 3 shuffles. All of them are going to turn. First one is a quarter turn, the next 2 are halves. My left foot is going to lead. Left, right, left to 6 o'clock. Still following my left shoulder. I'm just going to adjust so I have more space. You're going to take your right foot and step it out, together, back. Now your left foot is free. You're going to 6 o'clock. Step it out to the side, together, forward. Okay, so they all are moving the same direction, following your left shoulder. Taking a quarter turn, it goes 1 and 2, right foot leads, 3 and 4, left foot leads, 5 and 6. And take your right foot and step it in and the left foot in. Now when I'm doing that with the music, those steps for me will be very small just because of space. Okay, so one more time, now count of 8, 6, 7, 8, quarter, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. From the top, that's 32 counts. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, rocking chair. 2, 3, 4, half turn, shuffle front on 7 and 8, rocking chair. 2, 3, quarter turn with the crossing triple. Now grapevine right goes 1, 2, 3, 4, step and tap. 6, 3, shuffles, cha-cha-cha, turn, cha-cha-cha, turn, cha-cha-cha, step right, left. Next part, I'll do it this wall and then I'll flip it for you. Your right foot touches out. 1, heel front, 2, step and switch to the other side, and 3, 4. Switch, you do a double tap with your right, 5, 6, 2 switches, and 7, and 8. On this side, so you can see it, we have point, heel, step, point, heel, step, double heel, and switch, and switch. That comes after you've done your shuffles and you go 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Almost done. From here, you're going to do a ball step, right foot, step forward on your left, and 1, recover back, 2, another turning shuffle to your left foot, half a turn, 3, and 4. Following your left shoulder, step on your right foot side, big step, quarter turn, 5, you're going to slide your left foot in and do a back coaster step with your left foot, back, together, forward. Going over that again. You've just done your switches. You're going to take it ball step in and 1, rock it back, 2, left triple, 3, and 4, quarter step, 5, hold and drag, 6, 7, and 8. You are facing your new wall to start that. Okay? So, we're going to go back to the beginning, and I will do it, I'll do it twice for you. I'll do it at this wall, and then I'll repeat it at 9 o'clock. Okay? 6, 7, 8. Walking 1, 2, 3, 4. Half turn, shuffle forward, 7 and 8. Rocking chair, 2, 3, 4, quarter turn, 6, triple 7, grapevine, go maybe with the arms, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, and triple, and half a triple, 2 stomps with the right and left, point and heel to the point and double heel, right, switch 7 and 8, and rock it, 2, 3, and 4, slide, 6, coaster 7, and we go to the rocking chair, 3, 4, half a turn, and shuffle, 7 and 8. We have a rocking chair, 3, 4, quarter turn, 6, 7, grapevine goes 1, 2, 3, 4, and you tap, 6, 7, travel left, cha, 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 5 and 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, and you start the dance again. Okay, now, during wall 6, which will be at 9 o'clock, there is actually a bridge of music, and you're going to dance through part of that music, and then you're going to skip part of the choreography. You're going to go from after doing the first 2 8s into this, which when you hear the music, you'll understand that. So what will happen is we'll be at this wall, and we'll dance our first 2 8s. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, second, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You do not do the grapevine. You go into point, heel, point, heel. You finish off that 8. You do this whole section here, and then you just keep going until you'll start it again at this wall. Okay? So it's a little section that's missed. If you miss it, you'll hear it on the music because you'll recognize where you want to be for that part. All right? So 2 counts of 8, started with the point. So I think that's it. So we're going to turn around, or I'm going to turn around, and we're going to play this with some music. Have fun. Rocking chair goes 1, turn it, triple, rocking left, quarter turn, grapevine, bartender, turn left on the shuffle, back, forward, stomp it out, point, double, switch. We're going to go into our middle switch, heels. There you go. Slide it out, coaster. And again, triple. Go left. Thanks to Rachel McInerney for choreographing another great dance for us. I appreciate you guys tuning in. I hope that if you have not subscribed that you will. And I teach here regularly in the Los Angeles area. I hope that you'll look me up if you're here. Please feel free to share this video. Let people know that it's here. Make comments, like it. I love that. And I'll see you on the dance floor. Thanks.